Hello students, today we are going to begin with the third poem of English literature, that is The Months by Christina Rossetti. So first let us read the poem, then I am going to explain the meaning of the poem. January cold desolate, February all dripping wet, March wind ranges, April changes. Birds sing in twin to flowers of May, and sunny June bring longest day. In scorched July, the storm clouds fly, lightning tone, August bear corn, September fruit, in rough October, earth must disturb her, stars fall and shoot. In keen November, and night is long, and cold is strong, in bleak December. So now let's begin with the explanation of the poem. Before explanation, let us know something about the poet. Christina Rossetti was an English poet who wrote a variety of poems. She was born in London and educated herself at home by her mother. So now let us begin with the poem. January cold, desolate, February all dripping wet. So, in the poem The Months, Christina Rossetti describes what happens each month of the year in a single line. She says January as a cold, lonely month, while February as a rainy month. March winds ranges, April changes. Birds sing in twin to flowers of May. So, what is the poet trying to say is that wind blows in full favor in March, while April welcomes people with the song of birds. To flowers of May and sunny June bring longest day. So, the poet is trying to say that flowers bloom in full swing in May, while June is a sunny month with the longest day. In scorched July, the storm clouds fly, lightning tone, August bear corn, September fruits in rough October. So, the poet is saying that July houses are stormy clouds with lightning flashes. If August is the time for the harvest of some golden corn, it is fruit in September, and the climate is rough in October. Earth must disturb her, stars fall and shoot in keen November, and night is long and cold is strong in bleak December. So, the poet is trying to say in these last line is that may the earth become bare and let the stars fall, but nights are going to be really long in November and cold in December. So, in the poem The Months, Christina Rossetti is trying to describe each month of the year in a single line. So, I hope you all have understood the poem.